Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Qlik Sense data load optimization detailed guide step by step clearly. Once the application is open, navigate to the data load editor section. In the data load editor, review your current data load scripts. Identify areas where you can optimize the data load process, such as removing unnecessary data or combining similar scripts. After assessing your scripts, check the existing connections to your data sources. Make sure the connections are efficient and configured correctly. Next, look for opportunities to use incremental load. Incremental load minimizes the amount of data processed during each load, improving performance. To set up incremental load, you will need to create a timestamp or unique identifier in your source data. Once this is done, modify your load script to incorporate this incremental load logic. After adjustments, validate the script by clicking the Load Data button. Monitor the load process for any errors or warnings that may pop up. If errors occur, revisit the script and make any necessary corrections. Continue optimizing by using Qlik's built-in performance monitoring tools. This will provide insights into data load times and identify bottlenecks. Additionally, consider leveraging the Qlik Sense community resources for best practices. Review the documentation available on Qlik's website for any recent updates or features. After implementing optimizations, retest your data load to confirm improvements. Finally, document your changes and results for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.